Hey there, food lovers. I'm Marco, chef and owner of Casa de Marco. Well, former owner, maybe. Let me explain. See, cooking used to be my superpower. It brought people together, made them smile. But lately, it feels more like my kryptonite. Just you and me again tonight, Miguel. Let's make it count. This is why you can't give up, Marco. Your food tells a story of love. Love, huh? Tell that to my son, Alex. These days, the only thing he loves is that damn tablet. Rise and shine, kiddo. Time for school. 5 more minutes. And across the street, that's Victor's place. Packed. Every single night. How does he do it? Sometimes, I dream of the old days, when Casa de Marco was the heart of the neighborhood. The laughter, the joy, the sense of community. It was all there, right in my restaurant. Here you go, sir. Today's special, on the house. Final notice, foreclosure. 1 month to pay. Hello? Yes, this is Alex's father. Lack of life skills, but...
Did you see that kid's cooking video? It's gone viral. Oh yeah, my kids won't stop watching it. They even want to cook now.
Time to write a new recipe, Marco, for success. And just like that, a tiny spark lit up in my brain. Maybe, just maybe, this could be the beginning of something new. Something that could save not just my restaurant, but my relationship with Alex too. So there I was, staring at my phone like it held the secret to the universe. You know that feeling when an idea hits you, but you're not sure if it's genius or just desperation. Kids cooking, millions of views. How hard can it be? How about we make some cooking videos together? Cooking videos? Dad, no one wants to watch us cook. It's lame. Just as I was about to unleash my dad powers of persuasion.
Hello, anyone here?
Oh, hi. Welcome to Casa de Marco. How can I help you?
I'm Sophia, food blogger. I've heard amazing things about your food and...
As Sophia talked, I could see the wheels turning in Alex's head. Maybe, just maybe, this cooking thing wasn't so lame after all. Fine. But I want that new gaming system if this works. Deal. Now let's get cooking. Take 27. Action. Welcome to Daddy-Son Dishes, where we turn kitchen disasters into, edible art. That's right, son. Today we're tackling the ultimate challenge. We were a mess, but you know what? For the first time in ages, we were a mess together. And that felt like a pretty good start. Who knew that a bunch of kitchen disasters could lead to something so, well, delicious? Sometimes the best recipes aren't just about the food. They're about the people you cook with. So, remember that food blogger, Sophia? Turns out she was about to become our secret ingredient. And boy, did she spice things up.
What if you did a series on family recipes? People love that personal touch.
That's brilliant. Alex, what do you think? I guess that could be cool. And just like that, our little cooking show started to simmer. Man, if I'd known it would boil over like this. Dad, does Sophia have to be here all the time? I thought you liked her? Yeah, but never mind.
Yes, I need all the information you can get on Marco's finances. No, it's not personal, it's just business.
Your videos remind me of cooking with my Nonna. Thank you for bringing back those memories. Dad, we hit 100,000 subscribers. Today, we're making your mom's signature dish, Alex. Her famous lasagna. Really? Can I do the layers this time? I can't believe this is happening.
Believe it, Marco, your food is telling its story and people are listening.
For a moment there, everything seemed perfect. But in the restaurant business, you learn pretty quick. There's always something ready to bubble over. And man, was our pot about to boil. You know how they say success is a double-edged knife. Well, let me tell you, that blade was about to slice right through us. We need to film 3 more videos today. The algorithm waits for no one. Dad, can't we take a break? We've been at this for hours. Remember, smile, be energetic. This is our biggest audience yet. Welcome everyone to our first ever live Daddy Son Dishes event. I can't. Alex, you're ruining everything. What's wrong with you? This was our big chance. I can't do this anymore, Dad. It's too much. Alex? Alex, are you home? Rock bottom? Oh yeah, I was there. And let me tell you, the view... What was I thinking? No more cameras, no more views, just cooking.
Marco, what are you doing?
What I should have been doing all along.
You know, sometimes the best stories are the ones we don't try to tell.
Dad, is that your favorite? Want to help me finish it? No cameras, just us. Sometimes you gotta go back to the start to find your way forward, you know?
So what do you call this event?
How about Casa de Marco? Unfiltered. Perfect. All right, everyone. Let's cook.
Okay, fine. It's pretty good.
Turns out the secret ingredient was there all along. It wasn't fame or views or even the perfect recipe. It was love. Cheesy, I know. But, hey, the best dishes always are.